Namaste to one and all. Today's our topic is Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. According to that, we are learning art forms of Chhattisgarh. It is the pair state of Gujarat. Let us see the art forms of Chhattisgarh. First of all, we can see the dance forms of Chhattisgarh. Yes, here we can see Saila dance. There is also known as Karma dance. Suvanacha, Pandavani, then Pandi dance, then Raut Nacha, then Jirliti dance, and Gendi dance. I didn't get proper pronunciation of that. Anyway, yes, let us see the explanation of some of the dance forms. Yes, first we can see the Saila dance. It is also known as Karma dance. It is a traditional dance. It is performed in the regions of central and eastern parts of India, and it is a Karma festival associated with the autumn festival. Kharif crop and Rabi crop, we can see that it is also associated with the harvesting season, and here it is associated with the autumn festival, and 11th day of the bright fortnight of the month of Bhadra month. That is, the Bhadra month occur in between 23rd August and 22nd September. And this is performed by the Gond tribe of Madhya Pradesh. It shows the sun's entry into Virgo. And it is a male-dominated dance. Ladies are also there, but it is a male-dominated dance. That is, it is written there. And they are having red costume, red dress. Most often they are wearing red dress. And peacock feather also they are wearing, and they are using the instruments, cymbal and marfa. They are the musical instruments they are using in the particular dance forms. Then next we can see that Raut dance. Raut dance is performed by the Yadavas, who are said to be the descendants of the Lord Krishna, and it is associated with Dev Uddini Ekadashi, that is awakening of Lord after a short rest. That is the time of awakening it shows. Then Pandavani Nritya, Pandavani, that is associated with traditional dance. It is a drama and theatre. That means it is a narration. Yes, it is a folk singing style, narration of some stories. Most often the epic of Mahabharata, and it is in the Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. And Madhya Pradesh, majority of these are associated with Madhya Pradesh, central part of India. That is Madhya Pradesh, because earlier Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh were together, and Chhattisgarh become another state. So Madhya Pradesh also we can see the same dance forms. Then Pandi dance, it is Satnami community. It is performed by Satnami community. It is done by tribal inhabitants. It is seen that the people, and most often nowadays we used to see this type of dance forms, that is standing there, people standing on the head and shoulders of the other people, different rows like that, pyramids like that is the performance of this Pandi dance. And another one, the Jirliti dance. Jirliti dance is a local dance of Bestar region. Bestar is a district of Chhattisgarh. It is a Bestar region, and it does not have a fixed pattern. Different way they are having this dance form, and colorful dance forms. And here in this Raut dance, here you can see that they are using ankle bells and metal shield, then dol and drum are the instruments they are using. And next one is that is, we can see that Suvanacha. In this Suvanacha, it is performed in the Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. I told you Chhattisgarh is the part of the Madhya Pradesh, and it is having a folk dance. And the speciality of this dance is that it is exclusively done by women. And it is also known as parrot dance. So majority of the costumes they are wearing are green dress, and parrot dance they bend and jerk like that, and they are raising their leg also. That is pretending like a parrot. And in here we can see that a girl may be standing facing that particular row, and she may be having a pot on her head. that is a specialty, and wooden, and these ladies may be having the wooden parrot also, and there they are using only one instrument they are using, that is known as Tiski wooden clapper they are using, maybe having the wooden clapper, maybe having some, we have seen that some, it may be having some bells also, so that is a wooden clapper only they are using. So these are the dance forms of Chhattisgarh. And let us see fairs and festival, and most of the fairs and festivals also having some relation with these dance forms. Okay, let us see the fairs and festivals of Chhattisgarh. Yes, that is Bestar Dasara, Bestar Lokotsav, Madai festival, Boramdiya festival, then Goncha, Tija. The spelling Tij also I have seen there. Then Champaran Mela and Narayanpur Mela. And we can learn about Madai festival. What is meant by Madai festival? It is a festival of popular festival of Chhattisgarh. It shows that it resembles a Sanskritic of Chhattisgarh. It is representing rich culture and tradition. And people celebrate this with a great enthusiasm and excitement, and especially it is celebrated by the Gond tribe. And they are having large gathering on a large ground, and the relatives from far and wide come together to laugh, to make merry and share the joys. There are several customs also, and they are having long processions, large processions with goats, and a large number of people gather, and they will offer prayers, and large number of shops and eateries are there. There the people will purchase salt and cooking oil, which will last for 1 year. That is the specialty of this one. And like melas, fairs, we have like that. And they are also having enough crafts work which is representing the specialty of the craftsmanship of Chhattisgarh. And the ground, large ground, there may be enough cultural programs and cheerfulness, tribal music, dance, and the people will dance according to tunes and rhythms. That is the thing. And here we can see that this festival, this Madai festival, is celebrated by different tribes in different times. And here this Madai festival generally done by the Gond tribe. I told you the Gond tribe, they celebrate it in the December, but one more, and other tribal people celebrate in January, February also. Again we can see that the Gond tribe will celebrate this once more, that is at the beginning of the February. Once again they will celebrate the same festival. A lot of customs and the things are there, customs are there, dance, music, everything, large gatherings are there, several types of customs also they are following. And next we can see the Tej also, which is representing, it is celebrated by women. And it is during the monsoons. They are in the Shravan month. The women will take fasting and they will pray for all the night, full night they will pray, and after all they will take bath and purify themselves, and they will wear the finest red saris and jewelry, and they will worship a god Parvati, and they will use a henna also. And this festival is associated with special songs also. So I hope you understood fairs and festivals of. Then one more thing, this Bestar Dasara, the same name, Bestar Dasara there. This Bestar Dasara is the worship of Dandeshwari. That is, it is celebrated in Dandeshwari temple, that is associated with Dasara. Okay, I hope you understood what about the fairs and festivals. And here you can take, when you are doing the project, enough things you will get to associate with your learning topics. Okay, next we can see the art forms of Chhattisgarh. Art form includes crafts also. Yes, cotton fabrics, bamboo art, bell metal, dokra, gotna, then wrought iron, that includes Loha Silpa also, then terracotta, tamba, then wall paintings. And here we can see what is Gotna. It is a form of mandala done in concentric circle. Concentric circle we have already learned. Circle we draw, inside also we will draw. The diameter will be smaller and smaller like that. Or first a small diameter, then larger like that. And so it is based on this Gondwana painting. It is based on the tattooing of age-old tradition of India, which represent in generally or concentrating on tribal people. It is about the northern and central part of India, and popularly it is known as a Gondwana. That is a tattooing, general tattooing. The characteristics of tattooing of the generally we can see that it is based on the women. That is tattoo of the women of the Baiga tribe, where they use a V shape in between. Shape mark at the center of the forehead in between eyebrows. And regarding the Gondwana painting, it is based on the concentric ring, and that way we will draw that in between we will draw, and at the same time the border will be there. Border with a dark color, black color line may be used there. That is boundary also there. And another one I have seen this tamba. That is a musical instrument. And only one side only we can play that. Long single headed thin drum, and which is having 12.5 inches diameter. Yes, this diameter we can see that it is having 12.5 inches diameter. Okay, that about the art and craft of this Chhattisgarh. Then we can see what are the dress form. Dress form is kachora, lugda. This lugda is sari, and polka. Polka is a blouse. And what is the meaning of kachora? It is a Sanskrit word associated with turmeric. That is the meaning only written here. And so their main dress form, this is only written in the circular. So kachora, lugda means sari, and polka means blouse. Let us see the food of Chhattisgarh. About the food, we can see that in the circle it is written chilla and dahrori. And chilla recipe, it can be used with a basin. Basin means gram flour. More than basin, we can see that oats, moong dal, wheat flour, and rice flour also can be used here with a basin. Chilla or a simple spiced gram flour, and it is a pancake used in North India. And basin is rich soluble fiber which reduces heart diseases, diabetes and medical problems. And here it is good for weight loss also. And let us see how can we prepare the chilla. That is a recipe we can see. That is 1 cup of basin, then the required salt, then turmeric, 1 onion, 1 green chili, then 1 tomato, and ajwain, a little bit ajwain, and coriander leaves can be made use of it, and it can be chopped, and along with the water it should be made as a batter. And after preparation of the batter, heat tawa, and it should be oiled. That we can use oil that is greased with oil, and prepare it with a 1 ladle full of batter and make it as a pancake like dosha, like that. It is a thicker one. So it is good for even for breakfast. You can use it. It is good for health. And along with that, you can make different varieties of chutneys also you can make. Then next another one is, this is dahrori. This is a dessert. The main ingredients I will tell you how to prepare it. Ingredients are rice flour, cardamom, then almonds, cashews, lemon juice. I have seen that some of them didn't, in some recipes the almonds, cashews are not there. Just the rice flour, then curd, ghee, etc. they have used there. Anyway, it is a dessert, it is a sweet one, and it is a deep fried one. So these are the 2 items mentioned in the circular. So we have learned the art forms of Chhattisgarh. What are they? First one, there is dance forms, then fairs and festivals, then the art that includes craft also, then the dress forms of Chhattisgarh, and food of main food of Chhattisgarh. I hope you understood. And one thing more, while you are integrating the subject, the topics with the art form, the pair state, one pair state should be there. Whatever the pair state, one art form you should incorporate. But for other subjects, you can make use of other art forms. That is, any Indian art form should be incorporated. That is how it is written. So it is better to see other art forms also. Different states are having different art forms. So familiarize with it. It will help you to make a better and more dimensions you will get how to do the projects. I hope you understood. Thank you for your cooperation.